Welcome to the latest edition of Meats by Mac. First up on the menu, going to be throwing down on some country style ribs. Going to season them up with the Wishing Well competition rub. Absolutely love this rub. Check it out. He just came out with a new rub as well. Can't wait to try that one. Second item on the menu is going to be some wings. I love buying the whole wing and cutting them up myself. Definitely need a sharp knife though. Getting into that cartilage and those bones. To season up the wings, I'm going to use duck fat. I've been using it on chicken a lot. Gives it a nice golden brown color. Works really well as an adhesive for the rubs. And I was really happy with what duck fat adds. And also going to be using the Craig's chicken rub on this. I just became an ambassador for Texas pepper jelly. So I figured I'd try out the chicken rub. And it did not disappoint. Absolutely loved it. And last but not least on the menu tonight, lollipop chicken. This is the first time I've tried doing lollipop chicken. Definitely was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Thankfully, I had a really sharp knife. Definitely a learning curve on this one. But I'm really happy with how it came out. Again, I used the duck fat spray as a binder for the rub. I used the Wishing Well competition rub again on these. And they came out extremely tasty. I used Craig's barbecue sauce as well as the Texas pepper jelly pineapple rib candy. And they came out amazing. And you'll see the finished product at the end. So what I'm making here is the sauce for the country style ribs, using some Craig's barbecue sauce, 1.5 small cans of the Dole pineapple juice, and a little bit of brown sugar. Mix it all together, and then once I pull the ribs off of the smoker, put them in here, wrap them with foil, and let them roll to the internal temp of about 195 when they're nice and tender. So this here, I'm going to use the Craig's barbecue sauce once again. I'm going to add a little bit of the pineapple Texas pepper jelly rib candy. And this is going to be my glaze. I'm going to use this glaze for both the country style ribs and the lollipop chicken. And did not disappoint. This came out absolutely amazing. The flavor profile was awesome. Well, if you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for following along. Thank you again to Texas Pepper Jelly, Wishing Well Barbecue. Everything was absolutely amazing. All flavor profiles were off the chart. And I look forward to using all these products again. And again, thank you for paying attention to me here. And happy barbecuing. Enjoy yourselves.